up, guys? So today we are reviewing the Compressor portable tire inflator. So it looks pretty awesome. I can't wait to get testing this out. So let's show you what's inside the box here. Right away we see you get user manual, as well as, wow, this is really nice. It's got that like carbon fiber look to it. It's plastic, but it looks like it's carbon fiber. On off button right here. On the back you have all your tools. So we open this up. This is where your air pump would go. But also they have it that you could use it with your outlet in your vehicle. So you just plug it right in. All the nozzles go right here, which you can mount them right inside here or keep them down in there. So this is a nice portable inflator. So let's go ahead, show you guys up close, and then let's test it out. So it's really sleek and stylish. You have your buttons over here. Very nice. Alright, let's test it out. So for inflating, go ahead and locate your port, which ours is right here, just like that. So go ahead and pick the end that you're gonna need. Alright, so have the lever up, push the end in the whole way, and then pull the lever back down. You got plenty of cable that you can go ahead and bring this down with you. So we're gonna go down right here, and alright, let's connect it to our port. Alright, now that we have it connected, we can go ahead and start testing it out. Let's see how fast it inflates our dinosaur here. Alright, so we go ahead, find our dinosaur to inflate. So let's see, PSI, bar. So you can set whatever you want it to set it at. As you guys saw, very quickly it filled air into this dinosaur. It works great, absolutely love it. We're gonna keep this in our vehicle, so that way if we ever need to fill our bike tire or vehicle tire or any tire, we can. Works great, guys. Hey guys, it works really well.